Welcome to Premath. In this video tutorial, we will be working on this interesting word problem. The sum of the reciprocals of Rehman's ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now is 1 over 3. Find his present age. So let's get started with the solution and let's call Rehman's current age, I'm going to call it X years. And the age 3 years ago is going to be simply X take away 3, X minus 3. And the age 5 years from now means X plus 5. So these are the basic building blocks. And according to the question, we have been given the sum of reciprocals of ages 3 years ago and 5 years from now equals to 1 over 3. So we can mathematically write as sum, I can write plus, and the reciprocal of age 3 years ago I can write 1 over that age, and the reciprocal of age 5 years from now I can write 1 over this thing equals to 1 over 3. Now let's go ahead and fill in the blanks. 1 over age 3 years ago is right up here. So I can write 1 over X minus 3 plus 1 over age of 5 years from now is X plus 5. I can write is equal to 1 over 3. And now let's add these two fractions on the left hand side by using easy method called crisscross method. I'm going to cross multiply this way and I'm going to cross multiply this way. So when you multiply this way, 1 times X plus 5 is going to become X plus 5, and then whatever this sign in between is, I am going to write down this plus sign, and then I am going to multiply the other way around. 1 times X minus 3, I'm going to write down X minus 3 divided by, we are going to multiply these two denominators. That means I can write X minus 3 times X plus 5 equals to 1 over 3. And now let's multiply the denominators, these two factors. X times X is going to be X squared. X times 5 is going to become plus 5X minus 3X and minus 15. So now we can write everything on this side. On the top is going to become X plus X is going to be 2X. 5 minus 3 is going to be plus 2 divided by this denominator. You see this is X squared, and then 5X minus 3 is going to be plus 2X minus 15 equals to 1 over 3. Now the next thing what we're going to do is, since we still have a fraction, we want to remove fraction, we're going to cross multiply this and this one. So this way we are going to get, that means we're going to multiply 3 times this whole thing. So that is become 3 times 2x become 6x plus 6 equal to 1 times this quantity is simply is going to become X squared plus 2x minus 15. Now let's move everything on the right hand side. The 6x plus 6 gonna go on the other side. we ended up with 0 equal to x squared plus 2x minus 15 is already on the right hand side. This 6x become negative 6x, and this positive 6 become negative 6. So this equation, now we're going to combine the like terms. As you can see, 2x and minus 6x, they're going to get combined. Negative 15 and negative 6 get combined. So we're going to write x squared minus 4x minus 21 equals to 0. Now we can see this. We have a quadratic equation. Now we can factor it out pretty easily. So that is going to give us x plus 3, and the other one is x minus 7. All right. Since we have equal to 0 these two factors, I can split them up. I can say x plus 3 equal to 0 and x minus 7 equal to 0. That means x turns out to be negative 3 and x equals to positive 7. As x represents the age of this person, so right now, as you can see, that x equal to negative 3 means age cannot be a negative number. So that means we're gonna discard this x equal to negative 3. So our only solution turns out to be x equal to 7. That means Rehman's age is 7 years. So thus Rehman's present age is 7 years, and that is our answer. And here is your assignment. Can you do this one on your own? You can take your time. Luckily, I have already uploaded this video as well. Please go ahead and check it out and see the correct answer. Thanks for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more exciting videos. Bye.